Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 secrets to building an audience that not only follows you, but also spends big. We're talking building a loyal fan base that not only loves your content, but can't wait to throw their money at you. I'm talking about going from zero to hero, from small-time creator to business tycoon. We're gonna break down the steps, the strategies, the secrets to turn your passion into profit. You guys ready to make some serious bank? Let's do this. First things first, you gotta know who you're talking to. Who are these amazing people who are gonna make you rich? What are they into? What keeps them up at night? Figure out their age range, their interests, what other channels they follow. Are they gamers? Foodies? Do they love fashion? Or are they all about that fitness life? Once you know who your audience is, you can tailor your content to their specific interests. It's like finding the perfect gift. You wouldn't give your grandma a skateboard, would you? Unless she's a super cool grandma, then maybe. But seriously, knowing your audience is the foundation of everything. It's like building a house. You gotta start with a strong foundation, or the whole thing will crumble. Listen up, because this is crucial. You gotta give your audience a reason to stick around. They need a reason to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And that reason is valuable content. I'm talking about content that informs, entertains, or inspires them. Content that they can't get enough of. Think about what problems your audience is facing and then provide solutions through your videos. Give them tips, tricks, hacks, behind-the-scenes peeks, whatever it takes. Make them feel like they're learning something new, laughing their butts off, or feeling inspired to take on the world. Remember, content is king. Give them the good stuff, and they'll keep coming back for more. Building an audience isn't about talking at them, it's about talking with them. Engage with your followers, people. Respond to their comments, run polls, do Q&A sessions, make them feel heard. Show them that you're not just some faceless entity behind a screen, but a real person who cares about what they have to say. And don't forget about social media. Connect with your audience on all platforms. Go live, post stories, run contests. The more engaged you are, the more invested they'll become. Remember, building a community is all about interaction. Be present, be active, and be genuine. Chapter 4. Exclusive deals. Make them feel like VIPs. Everybody loves a good deal, right? Especially a deal that makes them feel like a VIP. Offer your audience exclusive discounts, early access to products, or special bundles that they can't find anywhere else. This not only incentivizes them to buy from you, but also makes them feel valued and appreciated. It's like you're letting them in on a little secret, a secret club of awesome people who support your channel. Think about partnering with brands you love to offer limited edition products or services. Get creative. Remember, the more exclusive and valuable your offers, the more likely your audience is to open their wallets. Chapter 5. Community is king. Build your empire. You know what's more powerful than a single fan? A whole army of fans. Build a community around your brand, a place where your followers can connect with each other and share their love for your content. Create a Facebook group, a Discord server, or even a dedicated subreddit. Host watch parties, online challenges, or meetups. Get people talking, sharing, and interacting with each other. This sense of community fosters a feeling of belonging and loyalty. It's like a family, and who doesn't want to support their family? Remember, a strong community is a powerful asset. It amplifies your reach, boosts engagement, and ultimately drives sales. Chapter 6. Influencers. Unleash the power of the stars. Influencer marketing is huge for a reason. These are people with massive followings who trust their recommendations. Find influencers in your niche and collaborate with them. Have them review your product, give you a shout out, or even create sponsored content. This exposes your brand to a whole new audience, an audience that's already primed to be interested in what you have to offer. But remember, choose your influencers wisely. Make sure their values align with yours and that their audience overlaps with your target market. The right influencer can be a game changer, bringing in a flood of new customers and boosting your credibility. Chapter 7. Listen up, because this is important. Customer service is everything. Make sure your audience has a positive experience with your brand from start to finish. Respond to their inquiries promptly, address their concerns with empathy, and go above and beyond to resolve any issues. Remember, a happy customer is a returning customer. Offer hassle-free returns, personalized recommendations, and maybe even throw in a little something extra now and then. Make them feel like royalty. Word of mouth is powerful, and excellent customer service can turn your audience into your biggest advocates. Chapter 8. Be authentic. Be yourself. In a world of perfectly curated feeds and filtered faces, authenticity is a breath of fresh air. Don't be afraid to show your true self to your audience. Let your personality shine through in your content. Share your story, your struggles, your triumphs. People connect with people, not with perfectly polished facades. Be relatable, be vulnerable, be real. Share your passions, your quirks, your sense of humor. The more genuine you are, the more trustworthy you become. Remember, people buy from people they like and trust. So be yourself, because everyone else is taken. Chapter 9. Data is your friend. Know your numbers. We live in a data-driven world, people. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty with analytics. Track your website traffic, your social media engagement, your email open rates. See what's working and what's not. What content is resonating with your audience? What products are they most interested in? Use this data to refine your strategy, create more targeted content, and optimize your sales funnel. Knowledge is power, and in the world of online business, data is king. Use it wisely, and you'll be rolling in the dough in no time. Chapter 10. Innovate or die. Stay ahead of the game. The online world is constantly evolving, so you gotta stay ahead of the game. Don't be afraid to experiment with new platforms, new content formats, new marketing strategies. Try live streaming, podcasts, interactive videos, augmented reality experiences. The possibilities are endless. Keep your finger on the pulse of what's new and exciting in your niche. Attend industry events, network with other creators, and never stop learning. The moment you become complacent is the moment you start falling behind. Remember, innovation is key to staying relevant and keeping your audience engaged. Outro. Now go make millions. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. And don't forget to check out our next video on financial success strategies. See you next time.